Hi everyone and welcome on my filmmaking journey. If you're new here, I'm making a vlog every day to share my filmmaking and freelancing experience. So if you're interested in that and if you like this video, consider subscribing at the end of this video. As always, it's 7 AM in the morning and I'm checking my emails and all my socials like LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook and Gmail. But anyway, as every vlog I want you to learn something, so today I'm going to present the camera that I'm using right now, which is the Sony ZV1. It's not a sponsored video at all, but I think it's a great camera to begin video, like really great. So I'm going to tell you all about that, but first let's have a coffee. Right now it's almost 10 AM in the morning. I've published 3 posts on Instagram. But anyway, let's talk about this camera now. So right now both cameras are running at the same time. So I have the Sony A7S III just right here and I have the Sony ZV1 just right here. The sound is coming from the Sony ZV1, so you could really see and hear what you could get from this little tiny compact camera. If you want to upgrade the sound, you have the possibility to put an external microphone, and you know, on those compact cameras the battery life is not that great, but you can charge the camera at the same time as recording if you use an external battery like the Anker. You have all the links down below if you want to check and have a look on all the gear that I have, so you're not lost at all. I have the Sony A7S III, I have a Lumix G9. Both of them are like pretty expensive camera and pretty heavy if you want to do some vlog. I also have a GoPro, but talking about the GoPro, the sound is not that great and you have some stuff that are not good, like good enough for me. So this camera is compact. I have a flip out screen just like the Sony A7S III. You have the possibility to like clip it and turn the camera off, or turn it and turn the camera on. And I think that's a great thing because you don't have to search for, you know, the on off button. You just have to take the flip out screen, take it off, and the camera is going to turn on right away. So that's a pretty good point. So thank you, Sony, for this. In terms of button on the camera, yes, they are not the same as a big camera like the Sony A7S III because it's a compact camera, so they are compact buttons, but it's really cool and really easy to navigate through the different menus. I've always used Sony's, so I'm not lost at all. In terms of feature, it's just awesome. You have the histogram, you can play with the different picture profile. You have the exact same menus and exact same function on this little camera than a big camera, and that's pretty neat when you have a big camera and you want to downgrade to a little compact camera, so you're not lost and you have the same tools to play with. So now in terms of resolution, you have the possibility to record in 4K. I'm only recording in 1080p because this is just for YouTube and my personal stories in general, so that's like more than enough. Talking about frame per second, this camera is better than the Sony A7S III because with the Sony A7S III you can film up to 200 frames per second if you have the CF Express card. With this little camera I'm able to record up to 1000 FPS. Just watch this. And I did that just with this camera at 1000 FPS, and this is just incredible because right now it's just opening a whole bunch of possibilities. This is the end of the video. Hope you did like it. Click on the like button if you liked the video, it really helps the video to stand out. Subscribe if you didn't do it yet, and as always, I see you in the comments with all your questions and all your recommendations if you think this camera is not the best and if you know a better one. Till the next one, take care.